We're gonna discuss how to turn the 50 USD Tether bonus that you're gonna get with Bingx and turn them to $500 profit. Low risk, high reward. So let's get right to it and discuss first Shiba coin. So Shiba coin is still holding this current flag. So this is an important level. You see what happened here. We have mini tests 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th time. In the big picture, we're still doing all right because we still doing higher lows and we're still holding above the 4010, which is our current bottom for Shiba coin. So what we should expect. So the first signal for strength for Shiba coin is not there yet. We have 2 levels to break. First, this flag. And second, breaking this orange line around the 17. So this is 2 levels to confirm that Shiba coin this year have a huge bullish momentum run. And of course, we need to hold the 4010. And in the big picture, we need to hold above this ascending channel above the 8. Okay, so this is really important. For Dogecoin, we have this support that we should hold at the moment. And this, you see the bounce that happened here because this is in the critical area, the 7 cent. And in the big picture is holding above this ascending channel. So this area should be support area for Dogecoin. You see here, this is really important for this year. I'm not talking about today or tomorrow because many of you are holding Dogecoin and Shiba coin for the big picture or even swing trade, not day trade. So this circle, we might fill it if we broke at the moment or today or tomorrow the 7 cent. Even if we broke the 7 cent, we need to hold this ascending channel, then reverse and going toward it. The 11 cent for Dogecoin is the critical area to enter a bullish trend and going higher. Oh boy, Bitcoin doing all right now because we have escaping from this descending channel and the price actually reversed around this area. You see this circle, we have a reversal in the beginning of this year and the price actually bumped almost 40%. So if we go in a smaller picture and see what's going on for Bitcoin, we see that we have a bottom around the 21,300, which is the current support. And now we have other support above, let me just show you, around this level. So what we should expect. So Bitcoin got rejected around the 25, which is the current resistance. And now we have retried to break this resistance around the 23,300. So if we go to Bingx, as we said, you can actually win 50 USD Tether with my exclusive link in comment section below. After you get your 50 USD Tether, you could actually go on standard future and you can see your 15 USD Tether bonus here and you can trade with it. So how we could actually turn $50 into 500 or even double it, we could actually do is first we put, let's say, $50 here. Okay, so this is, for example, the bonus that you will get. After that, we go down on leverage and we put it on 100x. So $50 will be turned to, let me just show you, $50 will be turned to 5,000. So when you get $50, you can actually turn them to $5,000 by putting the leverage on 100x. But be careful, we have to put isolated margin. Okay, isolated margin is mean you only risk the money that you put here on the future account. But if you put it on the cross, is mean every money you have on Bingx, even in the spot, will be used as collateral if the price actually went down. If you don't have a stop loss, or the money that you have on the spot will be used as a collateral to offset the loss that you have here on the future. So what I suggest, always put it isolated, so you only risk the money that you have here on the future, which is just the $50 that you get for free on Bingx. Okay, so this is a risk-free trade because this the $50 is a bonus and you actually could risk it. That's why we bought 100x. Now you get $5,000 worth of trading position on Bingx. So here the liquidation price. What I mean by liquidation price? Liquidation price is the price that will we lose the $50 if the price went down on us. So let me give you an example. If we enter right now around the 23,189, if the price went on us just by 0.89% or less than 1%, we get liquidated and lose the 50. However, the price actually went high, let's say 10%, the 10% will be 1,000% on the $50 that we put. So $50, let me just show you, $50 multiplied by, you know how much you get? 500 from the $50 that you put. So this is low risk and high reward. You know why? Because we don't risk anything, because we use the money that we get from Bingx as a bonus and we use it as a trade. That's why it's a low risk and high reward trade. Okay, so this is kind of a strategy that we can use in order to make good money from just this reward. We could actually enter and we put stop loss here. If the price go higher, will be a really good trade. Okay, let me just put a trade at the moment. Let me just risk $10. Let's make an example right now for Bitcoin. $10, so we get $50 from Bingx as a bonus. We use $10 from this bonus. We put leverage 100, isolated margin, okay? And then what we should do now, we could actually buy long. So we buy long right now, success. We already entered at the moment. You see, it's really volatile. We already lost kind of 4% down, but it doesn't matter. If we go back here, this is our stop loss here around the 23,050. We could actually take our first profit around this level, the 23,500. Okay, so if we go back, we could actually go down on the trade, and you see here TP and SL is the profit taken and stop loss. So if we go here, set the profit taken 23,580. So you see here the profit taken margin percentage will be 168%. Or we're gonna win $17 from the $10 that we put, okay? And stop loss, perfect. So we're gonna lose $6 or 59%. Perfect trade, okay? We're gonna confirm and we're gonna close. So this is a really good trade. Right now we enter for Bitcoin. We might see a reversal and at least test for this level. If we got rejected, we already took our profit, and the price go down, we could actually buy down around this bottom. You can just risk $10 and you can actually gain $17 or $50, or you put the $50 and you gain $500. It depends on the strategy. As we show you here, there is a potential to make money just from $50 and you turn it to $500. Even if you lose the $50, this money is just a bonus, and you never lose your own money. And this is good. You just have a taste for the risk and a good training ground for you if you never traded before. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.